How to fix gaps on mobile in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to fix the gaps within your website sections on the mobile version on Wix. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to click on edit site, and we're going to find our website just like that. We're going to head over, switch to mobile, so we're going to see the mobile version of our website and also the mobile editor. We're going to see if we have any gaps here and there. So each one of the section will have, as you can see, a limiter, which is going to be situated here, and also this arrow. You can go ahead and adjust the section height by it. And also, this is going to be a limitator. So if I see a little gap between two sections, like this part, so maybe I see this specific, as you can see, gap, I can take this, reduce it a little bit, and you're going to see that it is going to take action and also reduce the gap. So if I see an element like this, I'm going to reduce the gap here, like that. And for this one, basically, I'm going to reduce it. Let's reduce it. Please reduce it. And unfortunately, I cannot reduce it. You can see that. There are some places that I cannot set up between the columns. So aside from that, the as you can see here, specific sections are going to be manuable or controllable just like that. And with that, we have fixed the gaps that we are going to have right there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.